9. Good. Where's that go?
9.
Mm-hmm. Good job. What's next?
O.
Oh, yeah, that's a number. Sure. Good job. You got it. Oh, yeah. Fix the 9. Okay, what else?
Oops.
You got it.
8.
8. Very good. There you go.
I'm looking.
It's working. Number.
2.
Good. Where's it go?
2.
Okay, keep going.
7.
Okay, 7. What number? No, that's a little too long. What's that number?
Red.
What number is this?
Green.
3. Yeah, 3. Good. What else? 6. Very good.
6.
Where'd 6 go? You can do it. There you are. Good.
1.
Excellent.
2.
No, what number is that?
O.
Try again. What number?
5.
Good. One more. What is it?
4.
Good job, baby. Upside down. Almost. Nope. Now come backwards. You can do it. Ready?
Stop.
Turn it upside down. No, not like that. Like this. Now try. Woo! Did it! Say woo!
Yeah.
Say woo! Good job. Yeah, now next step is, of course. Oh no, you put it back. You didn't even dump them out. Yay! Want to play with blocks?
Yeah.
Okay.